Alright, I've got the paracord in my hand. Keep an eye out. Oh. I just expected a 3-prong. That's not a 3-prong. Alright, I was thinking. Oh. Whoops. Oh, we detected it already. Yeah, this is the master bedroom. Off the bat, it seems to be louder than the Invoke, but I don't know. I'm just thinking about it.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to Homepod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with talking heads. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
Okay. So it'll play Talking Heads, I guess it's... So yeah. Um... Oh, holy crap, dude. I don't know if you can hear the bass on that, but that is some bass right there. So yeah, I mean I've been using Apple Music, so it knows what kind of music I like. But hey Siri, pause the music. Pretty good. She can't do she can do some pretty neat stuff, I guess. Uh, I can't think of anything off the top of my head, but you know, if I do come up with some stuff, I will let you know.